Hello students, welcome once again in DSS YouTube online class. This is Chaman Singh and today we will again start reading Geography chapter 5, Major Domains of the Earth. Student, in this chapter today we will read the third part topic, that is hydrosphere. Now start. Hydrosphere. The Earth is called the blue planet. More than 71% of the Earth is covered with water and 29% is with land. Hydrosphere consists of water in all its forms, as running water in oceans and rivers and in lakes, ice in glaciers, underground water and the water vapor in atmosphere. All comprise the hydrosphere. More than 97% of Earth's water is found in the oceans and is too salty for human use. A large proportion of the rest of the water, each in the form of ice sheets and glaciers, are under the ground, and a very small percentage is available as fresh water for human use. Now the meaning of proportion, each a part or share of a whole, अर्थात किसी भी चीज का एक हिस्सा होना, एक भाग होना. Hence, despite being a blue planet, we face a shortage of water. Now, the meaning of despite is without being affected by the thing mentioned, अर्थात के बावजूद या किसी चीज़ के बावजूद या किसी चीज़ के बिना. Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. They are all interconnected. Now, the meaning of interconnected is to connect similar things, अर्थात एक समान वस्तुओं का या एक समान चीज़ों का आपस में जुड़े होना. The ocean's waters are always moving. The three chief movements of ocean waters are the waves, the tides and the ocean currents. Now the meaning of currents is a continuous flowing movement of water, अर्थात जलधारा या जल का निरंतर एक दिशा में बहते रहना. The five major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. In order of their size, figure 5.1, the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. It is spread over 1/3 of the Earth. Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the Earth, lies in the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is almost circular in shape. Asia, Australia, North and South America surrounds it. Look at the map and find out the location of the continuous continents around the Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It is S-shaped. It is flanked by the North and South America on the western side and Europe and Africa on the eastern side. Now the meaning of flanked is to be placed at the side or side of, अर्थात एक दिशा से दूसरी दिशा की ओर या एक दिशा से दूसरी दिशा में फैले होना या घिरे होना. The coastline of Atlantic Ocean is highly indented. Now the meaning of indented is uneven edge, अर्थात असमान किनारा होना या दांतेदार तटरेखा का किनारा होना. This irregular and indented coastlines provides ideal location for natural harbors and ports. From the point of view of commerce, it is the busiest ocean. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country, that is India. The shape of ocean is almost triangular. In the north, it is bound by Asia, in the west by Africa, and in the east by Australia. The Southern Ocean encircles the continent of the Antarctica and extends northward to 60 degrees south latitude. The Arctic Ocean is located within the Arctic Circle and surrounds the North Pole. It is connected with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water known as Bering Strait. It is bound by northern coasts of North America and Eurasia. Now, the meaning of strait is a narrow piece of sea that joins two larger seas, अर्थात दो सागरों को मिलाने वाला एक संकरा समुद्र. Student, now this is the topic I hope you have heard properly and try to learn difficult word meanings. So till stay safe, stay happy, good luck, all the best.